I just made a deposit of $50. Let's go look for signal and place a trade. I'll be right back. Okay, I've gotten a signal and I've placed the trade. Let's see how fast it will pull through. I may have to pause. Once it's done, I'll be right back. Okay, trade has pulled through. Now, this is $15. I loaded $50. Now I have $65. When I say anybody can do this, anybody can actually do this. You don't have to um, do plenty trades. As long as you understand the process and you can be doing it every day, you can be making 30% like this every day. This is me actually making 30%. This is 31%. Anybody can do this. Anybody. It can be you, it can be me, it can be anybody, it can be even a child. I would like to do one more and then I already got my signal. So let me pause. I'll be right back for another one. Okay, I just enter my second trade. Let's see how fast. I may have to pause. I don't want to take too long. All right, it didn't take too long. Now see my second trade, right? Now my $50 has become $81. Remember, I always say anybody can do this. You don't have to be a guru to be able to do this. You just need to learn the right process. Uh, you can be earning like this every day. Even imagine if you're earning $30 every day. $30 every day. You can be making close to $1,000 every month. God bless you. I'll see you in another video. If you want to learn, visit my YouTube channel to see more or visit my website for more information. God bless you. See you in another time.